Are you ready to ride?
Yeah.
We're ready to ride.
Oh no, he's sitting next to me. I'm scared. Oh, it has the same restraints.
Thank you. It's gonna be a weird way to hold this, but it's gonna be like this. I made a big mistake.
Yes, it does. It does fit.
All right, dudes and dudettes, keep your head back, hold on tight, and get ready to shred.
Oh, we're already off to a good start. Wow. Definitely much better than I remember.
That was totally tubular. Please unbuckle your seatbelt and push up on your lap bar. And most importantly,